Speak this over your life today and step into a deep, unshakable peace that comes from God alone. This is Psalm 23, personalized as a powerful confession. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yes, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Father, I thank you for being my shepherd, my peace, and my security. I rest in your care and trust in your leading every day. If this spoke to you, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. I walk in God's promises daily. I am covered, protected, and secure in Him. Amen.